Hi folks, this is question 4 and we just have a linear equation here. I'm just going to multiply the 4 into the brackets. 4 times 2x is 8x. 4 times minus 5 is minus 20. Then the minus 1 isn't inside the bracket, so the minus 1 just goes down as it is, equals. Then we have 3x plus 7 on the other side. And minus 1, because minus 20 minus 1 is minus 21, is equal to 3x 7. I'm going to bring the 3x to the other side, and that becomes a minus 3x when it goes over. Then I bring the minus 21 over to the other side, and that becomes plus 21. And the plus 7 is still there. 8x minus 3x is 5x. 21 plus 7 is 28. Then last step is to, because x has been multiplied by 5, it's beside it, I bring the 5 over and divide it into 28. So x is equal to 20 divided by 5. And I can leave the answer like that. You could give it as a decimal if you want. It would be 5.6. Right, this is a ratio question. Liam and Joan paid 154 in total between them. Martha paid the rest of the bill. I always like to look at ratio questions as kind of put them into fractions. So Liam had 4 shares of it, Joan had 3 shares, and Martha had 5 shares of it. So Liam had 4 over, like altogether there's 12, because 4 plus 3 plus 5 is 12. So Liam had 4 over 3. Sorry, 4 over 12. Joan had 3 over 12, 3/12 of it, and Martha had 5/12. Liam and Joan paid €144 in total between them. So if Liam paid 4/12 of it and Joan paid 3/12 of it, then they paid 7/12 of it altogether. And that's the €154. We need to figure out how much is 5/12 of it. So I'm going to get 1/12 of it first. And all I'm going to do to get that is I'm going to take the 154 and divide it by 7. And that's €22. Then if I know what 1/12 of it is, I can multiply back up. So again, it's dividing down to get 1 and then multiplying up to get whatever you want. So multiplying, if I multiply that then by 5, it'll give me what 5/12 of it is, which is what Martha had to pay, which is what we want. So 22 multiplied by 5 gives me 110. And that's how much she paid then. Right, part C, we have to write 128 as 2 to the power of something. So we're trying to think 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So how many times would it be equal to 128? So you could count them. It might be the easiest way if you're not sure. So 2 times 2 is 4, and you can use calculator for this. Times 2 is 8. Times 2 is 16. Times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16. That's 16, and then if we times that by 2, it gives us 32. And if we times that by 2, it gives us 64. and if we times that by 2, it gives us 1, 2, it would be that. So we just count the 2's there now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so it's 2 to the power of 7. There's probably other ways you can do it as well, but if you use calculator and just keep times by 2, it tells you how many 2's there is, and then that's automatically the power. Now it says hence or otherwise here, so we have to use our answer. There's a 128 in it, so I'm going to let the 128 be 2 to the power of 7 and see if it helps us here. So 2 to the power of 4x plus 1 is equal to 2 to the power of 7. Now this is to do with indices, so when the bases are the same, the powers have to be the same. So that there has to be the same as that. So our 4x plus 1 has to be equal to 7. Then we're just solving, we can just move the plus 1 across and it becomes a minus 1. 4x equals 7 minus 1, which is 6. And then x is going to be equal to 6 divided by 4, so that's just the same thing as 3 over 2. And then that's all for that question.